Hello. Today we're going to talk about common blocked emotions. See, our bodies aren't just containers, they're communicators. They store, reflect, and speak the emotions we've never been allowed to voice. Sometimes what looks like a physical issue, physical pain, is really the body waving a flag, asking us to notice the unhealed imprint underneath it. One of those blocked emotions is fear of abandonment. This emotion often shows up in the hips or chest area, which are places associated with stability and connection. People with this imprint might experience anxiety, low-grade panic, or restlessness in relationships. They may crave closeness, but fear it at the same time. The other one is repressed anger. This is a big one. Anger does not, when it's not expressed, doesn't vanish. It relocates. Most often, it stays parked in the liver, affecting hormonal functions, detox pathways, and even mood stability. Because we often unknowingly carry decades of unacknowledged rage, in women, it shows up as hormonal migraines, and in men, as chronic fatigue. Another of those emotions is shame and guilt. These two are soul silencers. They're usually stored in the stomach or reproductive system, areas tied with nourishment, creativity, and personal power. When shame lingers, it tells the body it's unsafe to receive or express fully. What can you do? You need to clear all these emotions on a daily basis. You're still human. You experience all of this daily. Known or unknown to you, you experience them. Learn a tool. They're simple enough. And as you do your nightly routine, you can use them. As you wash your face, as you brush your teeth, you can use them. Everything I felt today, all the anger I felt today, all the guilt I felt today, all the shame I felt today, get rid of it. You can attend one of our tasters and you will learn tools to delete this. And with that, have a great day. Bye-bye.